Hello guys, today I have my cookbook from the library from school. Today we're going to make scrambled eggs. And you need a small mixing bowl, a toaster, a non-stick saucepan, a wooden spoon, 3 ranch eggs, a slices of bread, a dash of salt, and 1 stick of butter. We got our recipe here. Eggs, a wooden spoon, salt, and a butter. And I make sure you don't let this fall on the floor. And then we got a non-stick pan. Eggy! Egg yolk. You cracked it. Egg yolk too.
Use the wooden spoon to mix it.
We will egg you.
Yeah.
Wow. It looks like slime.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Work slow.
Need to do it faster.
It looks like a one slice of butter, 1 slice
bread.
of toasty, 2 slices of toasty, 3
Then
slices of
pull this
toast.
down. Good job.
Now we're going to wait. Butter.
Then we're going to put it here in the pan.
It looks like a slice of
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can see it melting.
Is it?
Yeah. Looks like egg butter.
Good job.
Egg buttery. What just happened to it? It's dead.
It's melted.
It did melting like a sausage.
Then, oh,
The toaster.
bread's ready. Can you hold the wooden spoon then?
Yeah. We're doing it, Daddy. We're doing it.
And mix it.
Then you get the bread out.
Yeah, well.
Daddy, come on. Get the 2 pieces of toilets, 3 pieces of toilets, 4 pieces of toilet, 5 pieces of toilet.
So now what are we doing?
Putting the bread, mixing the eggies.
That's right. Keep mixing.
Chickens lay eggs for the.
Looking good.
It's glue.
Keep mixing.
Okay. I think we almost finished.
Let's see. Very good. Smell it?
The eggs look yummy, and the butter looks
Okay. Let's go now.
yummier. You eat the egg.